It's Spidey Friday and it's time for a rant. So Diesel here is asking about shower valve and specifically why some places will package the shower valve with the shower trim all in one box, and some companies will sell the valve separately from the shower trim. So to answer that question, you have to understand the difference between wholesalers that cosplay as retailers versus retailers that cosplay as wholesalers. And you also have to understand the needs of the average contractor or home builder versus the needs of a DIY or weekend remodeler. And you might also need to know who this guy is, Herb Kohler, former CEO of Kohler, like the brand that makes the plumbing and the faucets and the toilets and the generators and everything else, based out of Wisconsin. So let's talk about Ferguson showrooms. Ferguson is a pipe and supply wholesaler business, first and foremost, before they're anything else. They are the world's largest plumbing wholesaler. They will oftentimes attach these showrooms to their existing wholesale locations, although they do have standalone showrooms as well. But ultimately, they cater to the trade professional. That doesn't mean that you as a homeowner can't go in there, but their bread and butter, where the people they do the most business with, are home builders and contractors. And by contractor, I mean more than just general contractor. I mean plumbers and folks like that. But these showrooms are places where designers, contractors, architects, homeowners, tradespeople can bring the end user, the client, the homeowner in to pick out fixtures, right? And have a sort of a retailish shopping experience. Conversely, your local Lowe's is a retailer, but they're kind of set up to look like a wholesaler. All right, that's how they're set up. That's how they do business. Their primary source of business is cash and carry, homeowners, and folks doing like weekend projects. Now, the average home builder, if they're building a home from scratch, from sticks, from nothing, they're bulldozing a plot of land and putting up the framing and all of that. That is a long process. Things like shower valves will go in months before the trim, in some cases. Now, you ask any plumber, contractor, any tradesperson, are you going to leave that sitting around on the job site in the hopes that it's going to be there in a month? Because it won't be. And if it is, it's going to get stepped on and kicked around, and it's far better to buy them separately. However, if you are doing a weekend project or something that's going to be done very quickly, buying it as a kit makes sense. If you're just a weekend warrior working on your own house, or if you're a contractor who's just taking care of a single bathroom remodel, then it makes more sense to buy it as a package, right? Conversely, shower trims have exploded. Like, there are so many different colors and shapes and sizes, styles and designs that in many cases, for places that are like wholesalers like Ferguson, stocking the valve and then ordering in the trim make more financial sense for them, because if the customer has 500 different options, are you going to stock all 500 options? Or are you going to sell them the piece that their plumber needs first and then order this in and have that take a week, 2 weeks to get, which again, in most cases for a remodel, that's not that big a deal. Now, on to the question of quality. You take this guy, Herb Kohler. He refused to allow Kohler to produce exclusive lines for places like Lowe's and Home Depot. They do that now, but for a long time he refused. So the thing that you went to Ferguson to get, and the thing you went to Lowe's and got that said Kohler, the packaging might be a little different. They might have a nicer retail package for the Lowe's and Home Depot environment, but at the end of the day, it was the same product inside the box. And by and large, that is still the case. However, they do have some exclusives for Lowe's and Home Depot that you can't get through places like Ferguson. You can only get it through a retail chain. Lowe's, Home Depot, True Value, what's that other one? Do It Best. And yes, you are partially correct when comparing quality to something from Ferguson versus something from the traditional retail outlets. And I say Ferguson, but you could pick any plumbing wholesaler out there. Hajoka's another one, right? They're both going to start at around the same point. You know, the stuff that you can get through Ferguson or the stuff you can get through Lowe's are going to start at the same point. But Ferguson goes to the higher quality, right? Lowe's does not. Lowe's does not carry solid brass faucets. They might be able to special order it, but as a general rule, that is not their bread and butter. Their bread and butter and where they make their money is high turnaround, the same, 8 to 10 options, and that's it. They don't get into special order. They can, but that is not their... In fact, Lowe's tried to get into the special order market and failed spectacularly because their systems and everything are not built for that. So while they can do it, they don't put a huge focus on it. Home Depot they were in the special order market and they did pretty well for a while, and then they went out of business and in the special order market, and now they're back. They're ramping up. So you're going to see some more Home Depot design centers or whatever they're calling them these days. But the Lowe's Interior Specialist program, which originally I was actually going to be part of the Lowe's Interior Specialist program back in the day, and thankfully I did not accept that job. I went a different route. So yeah, the Kohler that you get at Lowe's and Home Depot versus the Kohler you get at Ferguson starts in the same place, but Ferguson has the higher quality stuff. A lot of mom and pop independents will as well. Anyway, so let that serve as a warning to anybody who's going to buy a shower faucet. Make sure the valve comes with it. If it says trim kit, then that means it's just this without the valve.